Hi everyone, welcome back to Bike Scout. Today we're checking out the 2025 Kawasaki Versys 300s, a lightweight adventure bike that's ready to take on city streets, mountain roads, and everything in between. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly ADV bike that doesn't compromise on style or capability, the Versys 300s is definitely worth a closer look. The design of the 2025 Versys 300s follows Kawasaki's signature adventure style, sharp, aggressive, and built with a purpose. The tall windscreen, muscular tank, high ground clearance, and upright stance all give it a proper ADV feel, but in a compact and approachable size. It's not intimidating like the bigger Versys 650 or 1000, which makes it perfect for newer riders or those who want a lightweight all-rounder. Powering the Versys 300s is a 296cc parallel twin engine, the same reliable engine found in the Ninja 300. It puts out around 39 horsepower and 26 Nm of torque, which is more than enough for highway cruising, spirited weekend rides, and even some light off-roading. The twin-cylinder setup gives it smoother power delivery compared to a single cylinder, and that's something you'll really appreciate on longer rides. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox and features Kawasaki's assistant slipper, clutch, which reduces lever effort and prevents rear-wheel hop during aggressive downshifts. Whether you're riding in the city or exploring twisty mountain roads, gear transitions feel crisp and smooth. In terms of handling, the Versys 300s is very nimble. It weighs around 175 kg, which might sound a bit heavy for a 300cc bike, but that weight is well balanced and gives the bike more stability, especially on highways. The upright ergonomics, wide handlebars, and comfortable seat make it a joy to ride for hours at a time. The seat height is about 815 mm, which might be a bit tall for shorter riders, but it helps give the bike better ground clearance and visibility. Suspension duties are handled by long-travel telescopic forks up front and a bottom-link uni-track monoshock at the rear. This setup absorbs bumps well and gives the bike decent off-road capability. While it's not a hardcore dirt bike, it can definitely handle gravel roads, dirt paths, and light trails without breaking a sweat. The Versys 300s also comes with front and rear disc brakes with dual-channel ABS, giving you confident stopping power in all conditions. Whether you're in the rain, on loose surfaces, or just dealing with urban traffic, the braking system adds a solid layer of safety. Another feature that makes this bike versatile is the 17-liter fuel tank. That gives you a very impressive range, especially considering the bike's efficiency. You can expect somewhere around 28 to 30 km per liter, depending on your riding style. That means long rides without constant fuel stops, which is a big win for touring. The instrument cluster is a mix of analog and digital, with a large analog tachometer and a digital screen that shows speed, fuel level, trip meters, gear position, and more. It's simple, easy to read, and gets the job done without distracting you from the ride. Storage options aren't built in, but Kawasaki offers optional panniers and top box mounts, making it easy to set up the Versys 300s for touring. Whether you're heading to the office or going on a weekend road trip, it adapts to your needs. Now let's talk about the price. The 2025 Kawasaki Versys 300s is priced at around PHP 295,000 in the Philippines, or approximately USD 5,200 depending on the region. It's positioned as a premium entry-level adventure bike, and while it's a bit more expensive than some 250cc or 300cc naked bikes, you're getting a lot of value for that price. A proven engine, great design, solid performance, and true versatility. So, who is the Versys 300s for? It's for the rider who wants a capable, comfortable, and reliable machine for both daily rides and weekend adventures. Whether you're just getting into the ADV segment or want a second bike that's fun, practical, and stylish, the Versys 300s makes a strong case for itself. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Kawasaki Versys 300s. What do you think? Is this your next adventure bike? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit like, share it with your fellow riders, and subscribe to Bike Scout for more detailed reviews, comparisons, and two-wheeled adventures. Thanks for watching, and ride safe out there.